Hey there, compounders or users of compounds of semaglutide or tirzepatide. Many of you are sort of freaking out a little bit because you've noticed there was a change on the FDA shortage website. So what is the difference between a shortage, available, and why these words matter, and what does it all mean? Can you still compound tirzepatide? So Lilly, the maker of the branded tirzepatide, recently told the FDA that their supplies are good. They're good and they're available. So you will notice that on the FDA shortage website, you will still find tirzepatide. It's still classified as currently in shortage, and I'll get to that. When you click on there, you will see that they're all available. And I'll try to post the image up here behind me so you can see that they're all available. So what does this mean? Does this mean that you cannot compound? So yes, it still means you can compound because the FDA has it classified as currently in shortage, even though Lilly has told them it's available. But there's got to be some proof. Lilly just can't say we're good and then they really not be good. Now, they might be good. That's certainly a possibility. But sometimes when things start to become good, it increases demand, which then makes it not good. So there has to be proof. Lilly has to prove to the FDA that they are in fact good, that they can meet current and future demand for their product in order for the FDA to take it off the shortage list. So as long as the status is still currently in shortage, even though the individual products say available, you can compound it. Now, what we recommend for all compounders, what we've told our students who have gone through our peptide compounding mastery course is every day document the shortage, not only on the FDA website, but also from your suppliers. We've heard some board of pharmacy inspectors that don't really understand the legal nuances of this. And I know that seems weird that a board inspector might not, but frankly, this is just kind of this weird world that we're in. They've been maybe hiring some new people, but just because it's available at your wholesaler does not mean it's in shortage. And just because it's not available at your wholesaler does mean it's in shortage. So I recommend documenting both the FDA website, which is the website that matters, and your local supply. And many times the Board of Pharmacies, they feel more comfortable at that. If the FDA says it's in shortage and you're showing it shortage in your local supplier, it must be in shortage and therefore you can compound it. Really what matters from a legal standpoint is the FDA classification of currently in shortage. However, I know all too well that the opinion of the board sometimes doesn't always follow, the legal letter of the law. So I think it's good to cover both your bases. If you have any questions about if you can compound, what you should be compounding, you're worried about the availability, post in the comments, message me. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. But as of today, you are good to compound. It is still classified currently in shortage, and we will just have to wait and see if Lilly can, in fact, meet current and future demand of whether or not it'll fall off. So here's to your success. Compounding is here to stay. Even if you can't compound one thing, there's always something else to be compounding. That's why it's good to diversify your revenue streams, no matter what the revenue stream sources are. And we're here to help you succeed. So reach out to us if you need any help. Thanks, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.